our door. And these are the tools that we're going to be using. A measuring tape and a hammer. But before we start this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. Now let's get into it.
Hey guys, you're watching on my channel Just Vlog Once. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for more updates. Okay, let's get it. Take the other tree. Careful. Yeah. There you go. Let's go. Here. Explain yan, how to install.
Okay, so how we're gonna install this, guys, is first we're gonna take what's this?
Yeah, we're gonna dig a hole or just hammer this one right into the grass.
Yeah, the grass.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get this tool. Boom! Okay, now we're gonna go in. So, yeah, we're gonna take a hammer. Okay, so how we're doing is we're gonna take this and we're gonna hammer it on
No.
hammer.
Yeah. We're gonna hammer the how do you call the thingy?
Nail.
Yeah. It's a plastic nail.
Oh,
We hook in our tube post. So what we're gonna do is to make it ilagay
I see.
3 feet apart.
Yeah, what is that?
Starts from the corner and 3 feet apart and 6 inches from the edge of your bricks or your concrete driveway. Five inches there.
So guys, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to pull this thing that says pull tire so that the light can go out and reflect when it's nighttime. Oh,
Wow.
that was nice.
Yeah. Then put it back.
Put it back.
Then
Take out the nail.
nail. Right. Then starts edge. So
We're going to do the same thing to
Yeah, same
all
thing.
of them.
them.
And we're going to fast forward this so that you guys don't get bored when we're done the video. You know, edit sparks. Three more to go. And we're going to fast forward this at the end, of course. 4, 2 more.
Wow.
2,
You're so strong, guy.
5, 6. So 1 more. Bah.
Ah,
Nice! That was satisfying.
yeah. Now starts your
Now that all of them are
measurements.
done,
Yeah.
we're going to start measuring them so that we
Yeah,
know.
the first guys is the stars right on the corner, okay? So 5 inches here and up here. So I'm gonna put it right down here. See?
Yes, right there.
5 inches and 5.
So you're just going to start right there. That's actually pretty cool. I actually wanted to all the way to the ground. You have to cut the grass. It's getting too long. Wow, look at that, guys. What? Okay, then I'll just do is our first lamppost.
See that?
Tiny lamppost. Yeah.
See that?
It's very nice. We're just going to.
Want to more deep? Get just like that. Just making sure it touches the sticks.
Wow. Now as you can see, guys, this is a mushroom and it looks very gross.
So we're gonna do it.
To all 2, 4, 5. To all 5 of them. Including 6, but we already put that one. That looks pretty good, I guess. No, it looks too far away.
What?
Looks too far away.
It's too close?
Too far away!
5? You want 5?
What do you mean 5?
4 feet apart. 5 feet apart.
Okay.
Let's make it 4 feet apart.
Yes, 4 feet apart.
Right?
That's something crawled on me.
Looks pretty, so we can change it right away. Or we can
So guys, I have a TikTok account. It's called Jessica
rearrange it.
Clover 4. And we're gonna, oh my gosh, okay, you know what? I'll just, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Can I use something to make this thing stand? So guys, we decided to not put it on the driveway because we felt a little shortened. Yeah. So then we put it in our flower garden because like it had more space to put it.
So how we did it, Kai? We put 4 feet apart and 1 foot from the edge of your porch.
So guys, we forgot one more thing. We need to peel off that plastic thing to 8 to 12 hours of sunlight. So we're gonna do that. How do I reach that?
Let's get closer.
Oh, wait.
You need to peel it off?
I don't know.
No?
Oh, wait. It got off for a second. Ah, there we go.
There you go.
Ooh, that was
Wow, yeah.
satisfying. So just hold on to this. That was satisfying.
Oh yeah?
We'll be,
It's
okay,
not
guys.
an epic!
So guys, we're going to try 3 parts so that you guys can hear like the ASMR. Get closer, get closer.
So what it says? What's the writing on the top of the plastic?
It says,
Yeah.
what is this?
Can you read it?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you don't know how to read it?
No. I can't read it. I guess it's from Brazil.
What?
Or Russia.
What?
Okay, so then, got this one. Okay, Papa, come closer so that they can hear the ASMR.
It's cool.
Be quiet so they can hear it. Okay. 2 more. Really close.
Wow.
You can't quite hear because it's super noisy.
Yeah.
And for the last one. So I'll do it like this. And then 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go.
So by now on, guys, we're not really sure that's it will gonna be light after the sunset because we just installed this one now 2 hours or 3 hours from the sunset. So that's what Jessica said, needs to be have an exposure at least 8 to 12 hours. Hopefully it's gonna be turned on tonight, and
Yeah, that is
it's
it,
gonna be
guys.
show it to you how it does looks like.
Yes, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and guess what? Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment, and don't forget to share this to all your friends, family, or cousins, or grandpas, or nephews, or or pets,